Looking for plants that thrive in the shade? Selecting the right species is vital to creating a flourishing low-light garden. Not all plants are sun seekers. Some prefer a cooler, darker environment. Stay tuned to discover the top 5 shade-loving plants for lush, low-light gardens. First on our list, hostas, a perfect fit for a shady spot. These hardy plants love low light, boasting elegant foliage that adds a lush feel to any garden. What's more, they require minimal care. So, if you need a low-maintenance plant for your shaded garden, hostas are a great choice. Next up, ferns, a classic choice for any shade garden. With their lush green fronds, they thrive in damp, shady areas. Plus, with a plethora of species, there's a fern for every garden aesthetic. Ferns are versatile and can add a touch of green to the darkest corners of your garden. Third on our list is astilbe, known for their feathery, colorful blooms. These vibrant flowers are true shade lovers, thriving in low light. Not only do they add a pop of color, but they also attract beneficial pollinators. With astilbe, you can bring a splash of color to your shade garden. Fourth, we have the bleeding heart, a plant with uniquely shaped flowers. This captivating perennial flourishes in the shade, showcasing its heart-shaped blooms each spring. Its vivid colors and distinctive form make it a standout. Bleeding heart can add an interesting shape and a pop of color to your shade garden. Last but not least, foxglove, a tall and striking plant. Adorned with bell-shaped flowers, it thrives in the shade, blooming in a biennial rhythm. This towering beauty brings a sense of height and drama to a shady garden corner. So, there you have it, our top 5 shade-loving plants. We've explored the robust hostas, the delicate ferns, the vibrant astilbes, the heartwarming bleeding hearts, and the towering foxgloves. Each of these beauties has its own charm and can thrive in your low-light gardens. Choosing the right plants for shaded spaces is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating a lush, healthy, and sustainable environment. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.